Welcome to my little garden. Can you believe that just a few kitchen ingredients can make bougainvillea root profusely? Don't blink because new roots will appear faster than you think. Sounds exciting, right? So watch the video below. We trim away excess leaves and branches around the cuttings so the plant doesn't lose energy nourishing the leaves. By the way, which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below so we can get acquainted. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more fun things. Gently rub garlic on the cut of the cutting. Garlic has natural antibacterial properties, helping to prevent root rot. Add 5 tablespoons of rice to a cup. Rice helps create a mild, nutrient-rich environment friendly to young roots. Onions contain compounds that stimulate root growth and limit fungal diseases. Add 50 milliliters of water, stir well, and soak for 15 minutes. Now we prepare the growing medium, and here we choose clean sand. Sand helps drain water quickly, preventing waterlogging. After planting the cuttings, cover them with a plastic bag to retain moisture. After 5 days, you will see condensation forming on the bag. This indicates a stable internal humidity level. And you can see that new roots have started to emerge. More and more pure white roots are appearing. This is a sign that the branch has adapted and successfully propagated. This method is not only used for bougainvillea, but also works very well for roses, hibiscus, apricot blossoms. Coconut fiber retains moisture well, allows for good root aeration, and helps the plant develop steadily in the initial stages. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel to support me. See you in the next video with even more surprises.